Here at LYFE Marketing, we've generated over $13,000 in revenue for this gourmet chocolate company through our PPC Management services. Keep watching to find out how you can use PPC to generate a ton of revenue for your small business. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Morgan from LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency that helps small businesses grow. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what PPC advertising is, what PPC management is, and most importantly, how it will help your business succeed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on our great marketing tips just like these. So first things first, what is PPC? Before we get into talk about PPC management, what am I even talking about here? PPC stands for pay per click. PPC advertising is a form of online advertising used to drive traffic to your website. This means that the marketer or business owner only pays when someone clicks on the ad and is taken to your landing page. There are 3 different types of PPC ads. The first is paid search advertising. These ads appear above the organic search results on search engines such as Google and Bing. You're very familiar with these ads if you do any searching online. Here's an example of some ads when searching for wedding dresses. The second is a display type. These are banner, image, or text ads that are displayed on other websites, like these banner ads here. Display ads usually don't have as high of a click-through rate as paid search ads, but they can help you build awareness for your business. And they're great for our next piece, which is remarketing. Remarketing is when your ads are shown to people who have already visited your site without making a purchase. These ads often generate a lot of traffic to your website since people who see them are often already interested in your business and probably further along in your customer journey. As you can see, all of these PPC ad types generate different results and may be used for different reasons. Deciding which type you should be using for your business depends on your specific business goals. Let's move on to the advantages to PPC advertising. Many business owners are hesitant to start PPC advertising because they don't understand how it works, or they're worried that they're just going to be wasting money. Take a look at some of these stats. 50% of consumers that land on an e-commerce website from a PPC ad are more likely to purchase products. And Google estimates that PPC advertisements increase brand awareness by 80%. Those stats alone make it sound like PPC advertising is pretty effective, right? If you still don't believe me yet though, listen to some of these other advantages of using PPC advertising for your small business. Number 1, it provides high quality clicks. For paid search, your PPC ads only show up in search results when someone is trying to find something related to your business. This means that they will always be relevant to those who see them. When someone clicks on your ad, they are in some way interested in what your business has to offer, unless you're bidding on wild keywords, which is not a good strategy. This means that there's a big chance that the click may result in a sale from this customer. Since you're only paying per click, you are essentially only paying when there is a higher chance of sale. Number 2, it's cost effective. I think this is one of the best benefits that you get out of PPC advertising. Like I just mentioned, you're pretty much only paying when someone is highly likely to make a purchase. So even if it seems like you're spending a lot of money on your PPC campaigns, if they're optimized correctly, you should be generating more money in return for your business. Let's look at an example. Let's say you're spending $3 every time your ad is clicked on. Now this may seem like it would add up to be a lot of money in the long run, but if each click converts to an average of $100 in sales, you'd actually be generating a lot of money as a result. Making an average of $100 for every $3 you spend, talk about making more bang for your buck. Number 3, it offers fast results. With PPC advertising, you can advertise to thousands of people at once, and you'll start to see results sometimes right away. With most other forms of advertising, you won't be able to see results as quickly. Now, PPC is a longer game strategy, so you have to keep that in mind. But things can start to snowball pretty fast. Number 4 is that you can see your results in real time. If you notice that your PPC ads are not driving as much success as you want them to, you can make changes to them right away. This ensures that you'll get the most out of your PPC ads without wasting any money. Although beware of making changes too frequently. That can actually cost you more money in the long run and set you back. Try to let things run for a couple of weeks before you make any big changes. Number 5 is that you get precise targeting. With PPC advertising, you're given complete control of when and where your ads will be shown based on many different targeting methods. This helps you ensure that your ads will be shown to the right audience at the right time. Number 6, your PPC ads are the first thing that is seen. For paid search ads, since they appear above the organic search results in a search engine, people will be more likely to click on your ad than an organic search result. Everyone watching this video has most likely experienced this. If you're searching for something and you see what you're looking for in the top results, why would you scroll down any further? Now people have been trained over time to skip those ads. Number 7, Tracking your ad success is simple. You can easily measure your return on ad spend for your PPC ads. Tracking this will ensure that you're making informed decisions about your strategy. Plus, you have access to a ton of other data to help inform your advertising campaigns here and on other platforms. Number 8 is you have more formatting options than SEO. When you're formatting your paid search ads, you're given more options for extensions that you can add. Some of these extensions may be a link to contact your business, a link to important or useful sections of your website, location information, or even brand information. Look at this example of a PPC search ad with extensions. Now, there is a lot more that can be said about paid search ad extensions, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to stop it here. I could kind of ramble on forever. If you want me to make a separate video on the benefits of search ads, comment below and I promise I'll do a deep dive on extensions. Number 9 is that it's a little bit more straightforward than SEO. Paid search advertising doesn't rely solely on the search engine's algorithm or your website's optimization. The thing that you have to focus most on is the amount of money that you're spending and the keywords that you're bidding on, or the audience that you're targeting. Number 10, it can help you compete with larger businesses. Now, it may seem impossible to compete with large businesses since they typically have way bigger advertising budgets and much more access than smaller businesses do. But that's not the case here. Although it would be really difficult to compete for super popular keywords, of course, you can choose less popular keywords, more specific keywords, and have a good chance of competing with those large companies while simultaneously attracting more qualified traffic. Quality over quantity, babies. Number 11, it's easy to test to find out what produces the best results. You can easily run A/B tests on your ads. An A/B test is when you make small changes to your ad and then run both the original and the changed version to see which one delivers the best results. This will help you get the most return out of your PPC ad spend, and it helps you focus your efforts in the future. For paid search marketing on Google, 1/3 of users click on a Google search ad because these ads directly answer their queries. That is a lot of website visitors that you could be missing out on if you're not taking advantage of your PPC advertising. So now that you know why you should use PPC advertising for your business, how are you going to know if you're getting the best results possible out of your PPC ads? Well, you can hire a PPC management service. So let's talk about PPC management. What exactly is this? Well, it's a process of overseeing a business's PPC advertising strategy and your ad spend. The main goal of having management is to maximize your return on ad spend for your business's PPC ads, and it's much less work for you. This can be done by the individual business owners themselves, or you could have someone in-house, or you could hire a PPC management service at an agency like LYFE. Now, how will hiring someone for your PPC management benefit your business? Some of you may be asking why it makes sense to actually outsource your PPC management. As a small business, you may have limited time and resources, or both. And it's probably both. Fortunately, PPC management services can ensure that you're still generating amazing results regardless of those two factors. If your business falls under one of the following groups, I recommend hiring a PPC management service. If you're new to advertising online, especially with how complicated things are getting these days, it's kind of nice to have somebody else set it up for you and get everything going. The second group is if your business doesn't have an in-house advertising team. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, or tiny mom and pop shop, you probably don't have an in-house person, and you definitely don't have the time to do it yourself. So it would be better in the long run to outsource this until you are large enough to hire someone in-house. The third group is if you have a small advertising budget. It can be difficult to know the best way to spend your money, especially when you have a smaller budget. So outsourcing that to somebody who can help you maximize your results on a tiny budget can often be very cost-effective for you. And the fourth group would be people who don't know if you're capable to oversee all of your business's PPC advertising by yourself. You may have some time now, you may barely have the time now, but are you going to have that time in 3 months and 6 months if everything goes well? It's not something that you want to stress about, or worse, forget about because you have too much else on your plate. Hello! We just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. After managing millions of dollars of ad spend for thousands of small businesses and creating thousands of social posts to help businesses connect with their customers, we know how to get results. And we want to help small businesses get results too. So we've decided to give away our knowledge, learning experiences, resources, tools, and feedback to help you achieve results for your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn the blueprint for success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, get access to all the tools that you'll need, and get live expert guidance from yours truly, stop what you're doing and sign up for our coaching program today. If your business falls under one of those 4 categories, I think it's best for you to invest in PPC management. Now, these are some of the things that a PPC management service should do for your business. 1, they should ensure that all of your PPC campaigns are optimized and reach the right audience. They definitely need to stay within your advertising budget while doing those things too. This would include making sure that you're bidding on the right keywords. If you're not running your PPC ads with the right keywords, then it really won't matter how amazing your ads are because they won't be reaching the right people. So your PPC management service would handle all of those keywords for you. Number 2, they'll make sure that they're advertising on the right channels. Whether it's Google search ads, display network, Bing, or something else, each channel may deliver different results for your business. It can sometimes be difficult to figure this out, but a PPC management service would save you the time and know exactly where it would be most beneficial for you. Number 3, they should create the perfect optimized ads for your campaign objectives. It doesn't matter what channel you're using or what keyword you're bidding on. Your PPC campaigns will never be effective if the actual designs for your advertisements are not perfect. If you're someone who has little experience in actually designing advertisements, PPC Management Service can take care of that for you. On the other hand, even if you are amazing at creating perfectly optimized advertisements, PPC Management Services can take the time off of your hands so that you have more time to focus on the more important aspects of your business. There will still be a lot of management for these campaigns after they're designed. Number 4, they should help you beat your competition. Every business has other businesses that you're competing with. Whether that be competing for the same keywords, the same target audience, or anything else, PPC Management Services can help make sure that your business stays in the lead ahead of your competitors. Number 5, they should monitor your campaigns. Once your ads have been created and your campaign is up and running, it's important that your PPC manager keep track of how well it's doing. Your ads will need to be optimized. Many things may need to be done to optimize your ads, such as using different keywords, changing the settings, A/B split testing your ads, changing the audience, and more. These are all things that can be taken care of by a PPC management company, and they will let you know what should be done, not the other way around. So you know you're making the best decisions for your PPC campaign, or they're making them for you. Now that you've made it to the end of the video, you know all about what PPC advertising is and what a PPC management company should do for your ads. There are so many amazing benefits that can come out of using PPC for your business. So if you've learned something new in this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and tap on that little notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this with me. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you next time. Happy marketing!